As a small party, we have to take a collective approach. We all have to believe in our desire to represent
Some people are working harder than others, aren't they?
Well, you know, everybody works to their own ability, works to their own rate.
So that's a yes, really, isn't it?
Well, no. Everybody, you know, some people work more on the national stage, some people work more on the local stage. I don't know any TD that gets elected successively that doesn't work. But I think it's about believing in a central message. It's about working hard towards convincing the Irish people that we have real solutions to meet their needs. It's not about Fianna Fáil, it's not about the survival or not of a political party. And people have to start seeing, you know, a group of politicians who are in a position to form an alternative to the current administration that have a clear and concise platform. And I think we have that. But I often think that when people within the party start to muse aloud or seem to be sort of critical, that sucks up the oxygen of publicity, and it blocks, it almost acts as a sunblock to letting people see what it is we're about, what it is we're trying to do, what policies we're developing. And you know, media are only going to concentrate for a certain amount of time, column inches, minutes, whatever, on a daily basis about what's happening in politics. But if the story coming out of Fianna Fáil is that there's internal rancour or there's disquiet or there's a potential leadership issue, well, that'll be a hell of a lot sexier than a policy that I might be bringing forward that would benefit commuters or benefiting the motorist, or, you know, seem to tip the balance more in favour of those that are least well off in society. Those are all noble ideals and noble policies, but media as it is will concentrate on, you know, the sexy end of things, which is usually around an internal battle or a heave or whatever.